Hi everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. In this video, I am going to tell you how to add a background to your slide. This is very simple. Just go to Design option, and in the Design option, just click Format Background. From here, you can select this third option, Picture or Texture Fill. From here, you can select the picture from the different sources. Like here it is given as like three main options. If you have already a picture which is saved in your laptop or computer, you can simply select it and locate the specific picture, and that picture will be added here. And second option is you can use the stock images, any picture from your stock images. Stock images that are the pictures that are actually provided by the software. And you can see that here bunch of pictures which you can add as your background. What you need to do is just select any of them and just click insert, and that picture will appear as a background here. And in case if you want to search a picture from the internet sources, simply go again insert, and from here you can search through online pictures. And from here, like for example, if you want to search a picture relevant with the nature, just search. And from here, you can select any picture which you like. Just click and insert. So this is how you can add a picture as a background. The same is the case if you want to add a picture from your own resources, from your laptop or computer. Just click here, and from here you can select any picture which is saved in your computer. So this is how you can add any picture as a background of your slide. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.